Hi guys! Today is my birthday and I thought that since it would be my last year of being in my 20s, I've decided to do something different for myself. This year would also be my first time celebrating my birthday with my husband Alan since we met, because for the past few years I've been away for work. So he asked me what I wanted to do this year and I came up with a plan that I want him to bake a cake for me. More like we bake a cake together, because I've never baked a cake from scratch before, and so I wanted to do something different and try something new. So I thought we could bake a cake, and I came up with the idea, the vision in my mind, what kind of cakes that I want, and he came up with the ingredient, and we bought everything yesterday. And so I'm very excited for this. I hope it will turn out fine. So if you want to keep watching to the end to see how the cake turns out, keep watching. So let's bake now.
Now we're going to decorate the top. That's going to be Michelle's job.
Vision. So this is what I'm going to do. Oh, okay. Hopefully it turns out good.
Last step is to put some powdered sugar on it.
Because I really, really want it to.
Okay,
Looks
ready?
really. Okay, let's see. Let's do this. Oh, like it's snowing. I love it. So much fun. Is that correct?
Maybe a little bit more.
No, I don't want to put too much snow.
Make sure it's even. Having fun?
Yes. Yay! my birthday cake. Yay! Yay! We finally made it! It turned out really good and I'm really happy with the result. So let's review again what this cake was. We made a naked vanilla white cake with strawberries in it and whipped cream frosting. And I decorated it with strawberries and blueberries on top with powdered sugar because I really want the snowy, effect. So this is how it looks like. We will see how it turns out when I cut the cake. I hope it tastes good too.
Yay!
I'm gonna cut my cake now.
Slice up.
Coming out.
Did you get it all the way through?
Yes.
Okay.
Ooh, what does it look like? Oh, okay.
Okay. Here.
Quite
put it on a
nice.
plate.
Straight or what?
You can put it straight or
Slide.
sideways.
Let's see if I can make it straight. Okay, this one look better. Oh yeah, it stays. Yay! Okay.
Yeah, that first slice is always the hardest one.
Okay.
Okay.
This work.
Put it sideways if you can, or you can.
I want to do it this way. I want to do it this way. Hey! Oh, this one nice.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
The yellow cake is very nice. The cream is good too. Not too heavy. I love it. I love it. Bye.
See you later.